This is my 2013 Mercedes C350, and since I've owned it for a few months, it has its MOT coming up soon. So take you a little walk around, see if we can, fingers crossed, make sure that it passes, find any problems with it. So my name's Abel, welcome to Chewy Buildz. I love cars, fixing them, modifying them, upgrading them too. So hope you enjoy the content. So I thought I'd just give you a quick walk around, just show you what's going on with this car. So I've had it, a few months now. It's 12 years old, so it's definitely, been around the block, but it's got its MOT coming up next week, so I thought I'd just show you a little bit about what's happening. It's not looking too bad from far away, but up close, paint job's not really great. Rims are definitely seen better days now. I can't take the credit for all this curb rash, definitely bought it like this. So coming around the back, hasn't had too many modifications yet. Little spoiler, it's got the two tips coming out the back. Eventually might be nice to upgrade that into quad tips. Yeah, C350 badge. It's quite a mint car actually, it's looking pretty good. When I've inspected the car, I have noticed a few issues. A couple of things, nothing too major. Under here, there's a rear arch, the wheel arch definitely needs some replacing. I've got some parts coming around, so we can get those done too. And I also have noticed under the car, we'll get it up on jack stands, but some of the under tray is missing, so that definitely needs tending too. Right, let me show you the inside. So here's the inside, the cockpit. It's actually looking pretty tidy. This generation is the W204. I absolutely love it. This is one of my favorite generations of Mercedes cars. One of my dream cars is the C63. There is a small chip in the windscreen. Now, I'm not sure if this will capture on camera, but just about there, you might be able to see it. That should be able to pass inspection. Right, so we're gonna check all the lights, horns, everything on the exterior. So I'm gonna turn the camera around and let's just check to make sure everything's working. That. Hopefully that's all right. And now for the back. All right, so next up, we're gonna get this car outside the garage. Right, we got the car outside the garage, so let's first have a look at the fluids under the bonnet. Okay, so here I'm just opening up the coolant reservoir, just having a look inside, checking the level. There's a black plastic marker which lets you know if you're too low or too high, and here it seems okay. Next up is the brake fluid reservoir. There's a small little filter, just taking that out and just having a look just to make sure there's no debris in there. So that little sieve, just popping it onto the cap. And this is a handy brake fluid tester. So you want to keep the brake fluid less than about 2 to 3% water. So I'm just popping it in, let's turn it off, and turning it on again. And it's reading that it's about 1%, so that's still pretty good. Next up, taking out the engine cover. So it's just held by a couple of grommets, so just pulling that off and putting it to the side. And now I'm just looking through all the other fluids, so washer fluid seems to be okay, might need a little top up. Next up is the power steering, so this has a little dipstick. And here, that looks to be within the right range, so power steering fluid is fine. Next is the engine oil dipstick. So first off, remove that, give it a wipe, put it back, and remove it again. Well, not very focused, but this actually looks a little bit overfilled. Done all the fluids now, so then let's get the car up on some stands and take a look. Now I've jacked the car up on axle stands and the jack is there for extra support. Next, wheels off. Not too bad. I think definitely pass inspection. And while I have you here, let's have a look. See that arch lining? That's what's completely shattered. So let's go on and remove this arch lining. And that's what the 10mm bolt looks like. A few of these little plastic clips. Rather use like a flathead screwdriver or a trim removal tool. Should be able to come right out. There you go. Something like this should do the trick. So these are the little plastic pieces look like. It's almost like a plastic plug with a little screw, pushes in and then opens it out, grips it. So with the little trim tool, just pop it right underneath and then pull back. There we go. This is the part that we want. Now that we've taken the arch lining out, moving on to the other side of the car, just removing the wheel, removing all the lug nuts, and then inspecting the tires, looking at the tread. Now I'm inspecting the rotors, the brake pads, the discs, just making sure everything's moving the way it should. And now we'll do the same for the back. Fairly even wear. And again, just inspecting the discs with the parking brake, making sure that's engaged. And then we'll take a closer look at the pads. Still got a bit of life and the rotors seem fine. So there we have it, guys. We've inspected the car, did a little walk around, checked the tires, the brakes, fixed the wheel arch. So I think it's gonna pass inspection. It's due for its MOT next week. So we'll have to wait and see. But hopefully it should manage to do okay. I think we did all right. So yeah, so stick around, make sure you subscribe to the channel if you're interested, and if you like the content, like the video, and I'll see you on the next one. Chewy out.